Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Jasmine here today, and today I'm going to show you how I wash my hair using the Novex Mystic Black Line. Ooh. This is a company from Brazil actually, and they sent me their hair mask. They also sent me a conditioner, a shampoo, and also a leave-in. And you guys know I cannot live without a leave-in. It's pretty much the only thing I use in my hair. So I hope you guys like this video, so keep watching, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Alright guys, talk to you soon. So recently I posted a video on Instagram where I was taking a bath, and you guys seem to really enjoy those types of videos. Maybe it's because I'm half naked, who knows, but either way, I'm glad you liked it, so I'll just leave this right here for ya.
You understand. It's lonely, but we're not alone. Love the scent that you leave on my skin at night after you cool. Take my hand, I'll take yours. You understand. You make me want to be the best person I could be. It's lonely, but we're not alone. Pink and blue in the sky at night after a storm.
That's how I wash my hair, guys, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you want to see how I style my hair, check out my previous videos. And if you see some white stuff in my hair right now, that is dry shampoo, because that's how I like to give volume. Alright guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!